Guys, welcome back to the Glorious Kids. Today we're back with another video, so make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. So in this video, if you guys remember from the past 2 or 3 videos when we did the one about the zoo, when we went to the zoo, when we went to the zoo, I really liked the animals and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I really enjoy these animals, so I really want to study them more. So I do some research and stuff like that, and I really found some information about this one specific animal, and that animal is a chimpanzee. So that's what I'm doing in this video now. I'm just giving brief information about chimpanzees. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So let's get started. So chimpanzees, which are also known simply as chimps, is a species of great ape native to the forest and savanna of tropical Africa. It has 4 confirmed subspecies. So subspecies is like different types of itself, a better word would be like different versions of itself. So yeah, it has 4 different versions of itself and a 4th different confirmed version and a 5th proposed subspecies. Also, chimpanzees and the closely related bonobo are classified in the genus Pan, and genus Pan is like a group of people basically, except it's animals. It's a group with people in it. With animals in it, and the bonobo and the chimpanzee are in that group. And that's what a genus Pan is. Also, chimpanzees are mammals. So yeah, keep that in mind. The life expectancy of a chimpanzee is about 33 years if it's living in the wild because of predators and hunters and maybe starvation. And and also 50 to 30 years if it's under a human's care, if the human is taking care of it very well, and maybe if it's the human adopted the chimpanzee, it's most likely it would live for 50 to 60 years because it will probably be under a good care. Also chimpanzee's gestation period is for round about 243 days, which is 8 months and a few days. I think few days. And also the family of chimpanzees is called a hominidae, and another name for the scientific name for chimpanzees is called pantrologites. That's what chimpanzees are scientifically called, as animal experts call them that. Another thing about their age is that a female chimpanzee in captivity, so if it's female chimpanzees in captivity, is most likely to live for 39 years, and a male in captivity is most likely to live 32 years, which basically is a big sign, because if you don't know what captivity is if the chimpanzee is kept in a place where it's not taken care of very well, and the people that are have captured them are not taking care of them very well, and it's just like living in the wild, except you're locked in this cage. It's most of the time small cramped cage. They don't have a lot of space to move around, so it's most likely they're gonna die pretty early. And if you guys remember when the life expectancy, I said that if they're in the wild, it's most likely they'll die at 33. So imagine a male in captivity dying at 32. Being in the wild would be better than it being in captivity, and that is a huge sign. But females, on the other hand, 39 years, that's okay, because females are strong. They're stronger than males, so they can protect themselves a bit better. Also, the mass now. The mass of a male adult is 40 to 60 kg, and the mass of a female adults is 32 to 47 kg. That is a lot for a chimpanzee. So, yeah. And now another thing about the age is a lot of chimpanzees live from 30 to 40 years old. Now that is if the chimpanzee is not kept in the worst condition, but it's not kept in the best condition. So it's like average, in the middle, yeah, average. So, but in the other hand, chimpanzees can actually live up to their 70s. That's what chimpanzees are like able to live up to. And also another fact is that there's this one chimpanzee called Little Mama, and she's the oldest chimpanzee basically. And if you guys want to know how old she was, make sure you stay till the end so that I'll tell you that. And lastly, predators are of chimpanzees. Now chimpanzees are quite big animals, so it doesn't have quite a lot of predators, but it has three main predators. First predators are leopards. Leopards fast, like she is the fast leopards. Second predator, snakes, hissing everywhere. Snakes, wild. Third predator, this isn't even shocking, but the third predator is actually humans. Humans are predators, they're hunters. We are basically hunters. We hunt animals. We basically hunt them, kill them, eat them. That's basically what we do with animals. It's not right, but it's what we do. We need meat to live. So that's humans being another hunter. So those are the three predators: leopards, snakes, humans. Now, lastly for this video, I've got 5 facts about chimpanzees. So these are like 5 exciting facts. First fact, we share 95 to 98% of DNA with chimpanzees. That's because we basically evolved from chimpanzees. From being a chimpanzee, a few years later, not even a few, lots of years later, cavemen, then lots of years later is what we are now, humans. So for that process to have happened from chimpanzees to human must have been a while, because if you compare a chimpanzee to me, it's big difference. So, second fact, wild chimps can only be found in Africa unless somebody brings it to another country, which would be a bad thing to do, like, not a good idea. Third fact, chimpanzees are omnivores. Fourth fact, chimps have complex family and social structures. Fifth fact, chimpanzees can live up to their 80s. Now, if you guys remember before when I was in the age section, I said that chimpanzees can live, like, most likely to live up to their 70s. So knowing that chimpanzees can live up to their 80s is a big possibility. There's probably one that lives up to their 80s. And the last fact, the one that you guys have all been waiting for about Little Mama, is that Little Mama, the age of Little Mama was 79 years old before she died. That is a huge age. And she must have probably been kept in the best conditions because, like, as I said before, the average age for a chimpanzee is 30 to 40 years. So comparing it to Little Mama, which is 79 years, she must have been kept in the amazing conditions. And yeah, that's it for this video. So as I said in the beginning, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification so you know when we post a new video. And without further ado, GG Kids out. Didn't even ask me what